Grandma, look at my new experiment.
Oh, wait. Ooh, it's an RPG in the Crash Ball. I
Okay,
haven't
I
seen
have
one of those
something
since the
great to add
war.
to this experiment.
Does it go boom whenever you shoot it out of the crossbow?
No. It goes skibbity toilet will be mine.
Stop singing those Travis Scott songs, boy.
What? Is that not possible? Am I not?
Nah, I don't think it is, honey. But you know what is possible? Is you can put it on anything. So I'm gonna put it on me. I'm gonna put it.
Yo, Grandma, look at this new piece of candy I found.
Ooh, candy.
It's right behind you.
Candy. Yum, yum, yum.
What an ugly grandma.
How dare you do that to your grandmama?
Grandma, I'm making a birthday cake for you. Go outside and wait on the table.
Okay.
And stay there.
Wait.
I'm making your birthday cake. Just stay there.
Oh, I'm turning 123. That's right. What's that thing?
It's your birthday cake.
Ooh.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, bye, Grandma. The way I just said bye, Grandma, when he died is just crazy.
Oh, that wasn't my birthday cake, was it? Because that was
Dude,
the
it's
most
crazy
terrible thing
how
I've ever ate.
I was like, dude, it's crazy. Dude, you can stop with the grandma voice for right now. It was crazy because when I was like, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, you live a good life, Grandma, and then just blows up.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, shoot. I did it.
You did it finally? You're not failing science class anymore, are you?
Come on, let's go.
Let's go meet your teacher. I think this is pretty nice.
Wait, stop it.
Oh, my bad, honey. I'm doing definitely in mine. Let's go.
Go back outside, Grandma. I'm making you another birthday cake.
Oh, this one better be the real one. Happy birthday to me. Rick.
Okay, Grandma. I'm gonna make you your birthday cake. Hold on. Like the candles, Grandma.
Okay, Sonny. Ooh. Yum, yum, yum.
I'm in work of progress. Hey, Grandma, do you want to play toy guns? You want to play toy guns?
Yeah, sure. We can do that. Thank you, Sonny. Let's go.
Choose your spot. I'm gonna go over here. Choose your spot.
Okay. Don't worry about it, Sonny. I played this back in the war.
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay. Man, Grandma's already out of ammo.
My grandma's such an idiot. Oh my god.
Ain't my fault I'm under now.
Here, I'm gonna make you another birthday cake, and this one's gonna be the real one this time.
Okay, this better be. Before I take you to court, I already got a candle for you. There's a candle.
Okay, here you go, Grandma.
Ooh, let me see it. Oh my gosh. It didn't blow up. You're...
Hey, Grandma, come here. I got a piece of candy for you. I got a piece of candy.
Okay.
Hey!
Come here, Sonny. Come here, Sonny. This
Grandma, get back out
You
there.
gotta try.
Stop and do this. Hey, Grandma, I have a piece of candy for you. Come here.
Let me see the bitch candy.
Well, it's a cigarette. It's a new type of cigarette.
What? The world is that? Mm. Mm. Wait, what? What'd you say it was?
I'm Peppa Pig.
Okay.
Okay, Grandma, I'm gonna be making you the real birthday cake this time.
Ooh, that thing looks really tasty. Why is there a candle on my arm? You know what, Sonny? You've been such a good boy. You know what you deserve? You deserve some nice, good old candy.
Hey, Grandma, here comes your birthday cake.
Hey, Sonny, here's your candy.
Gonna one more time and say.
Are you gonna
Stop
fly
making you another birthday cake. This one's real this time.
Okay. This one better be
How
the
are
real
you
one.
still alive after like
suing you.
400 grenades?
Okay.
Are you not gonna answer my question? How are you still alive after like 400 grenades? Here you go.
Because I'm still standing. I am an edible. Is that a freshman grenade? The candles didn't even light, Sonny. The candles didn't
Oh, I'm
light.
sorry.
Oh, here's your candy, by the way. Oh no, I'm going to the top of the map, Sonny! Oh no! Right, we don't take fall damage. Sonny! There's no fall damage! There's no fall damage, is there? I'll take that as a yes! Oh, so there is fall damage. Ooh, I haven't seen one of these since the war. Sonny, I haven't seen one of these since the war.
Grandma, here's your new birthday hat.
Oh, happy
Don't
birthday to me.
Stop moving. Wrong birthday hat. Hand it to me.
Birthday hat? What birthday hat?
Wrong one.
What
Run, Grandma, run. I can't help it. I'm a unicorn.
Oh, Sonny, you finally transformed into a unicorn your parents wanted you to be. Good boy. I'm gonna go run away into the sunset now. Goodbye. Ooh, what's this? Hey, Sonny, funny story. I landed on a landmine.
Yo, I kind of figured that.
Ooh,
Idiot, bro. I think you need to go take your Spanish class.
I need to finish my Spanish class. Is that what you said?
What?
You said I need to finish my Spanish class?
Come on, let's go, Grandma.
Okay, let's go to the Spanish class. Where is the Spanish class?
I don't know. Stay doing this voice.
Oh, that's it for today of me and Sonny.
Can you talk normal? Can you talk normally, please? You don't have to keep acting like a grandma.
Yeah, I can. That's it for today's video. Subscribe if you want to see more grandma videos.
I'm not ending it. Can you stop breathing on me? What is your problem?